Parts E, F, and G are about R form. In Part E, we will learn how to express A sin theta plus minus B cos theta in R form. And in F, we will learn how to solve A sin theta plus minus B cos theta equal to C using R form. So whenever you see R sin theta plus minus alpha or R cos theta plus minus alpha, this is what we mean by R form. And in R form, you may need to use Larka or even Liga. So let's look at the steps that are needed for R form. Step 1 is to write R form. Note that R must be positive and alpha is an acute angle. Say that you have A sin theta plus minus B cos theta. So if you change it into R form, is it R sin theta plus minus alpha or R cos theta plus minus alpha? So how do you determine whether it is sin or cos? The answer lies here. So just follow whatever you have in front of A. And here, since we have sin, therefore the R form that we need is R sin theta plus minus alpha. So you just need to follow whatever you have after A. If this is sin, therefore this is sin. Therefore, what is A cos theta plus minus B sin theta in R form? Here we can see that after A, it is cos. Therefore, the R form that we will use is R cos theta plus minus alpha. Step 2 is to compare. Step 3 is to find alpha. So how do we find alpha? You need to find tan alpha, and hence alpha is tan inverse of that value. Step 4 is to find the value of R where R must be positive. So how do you find the R value? The method is to take the first equation and then you square it, and then you add 1 square with the second equation and you square it as well. So that's how you get equation 1 square plus equation 2 square, and that will give you R square equal to a value. And hence you can find the value of R, where R must be positive. Step 5 is to rewrite step 1. Or basically, you just rewrite your R form again. For step 6, you may need to use Larka in order to solve A sin theta plus minus B cos theta equal to C. Step 7 is to find the minimum and maximum values. And step 8 is to use Liga or Larka if you want, in order to find the values of X for maximum and minimum values. So you can see that there are many steps for R form, but basically, step 1 until step 5 is about finding that R form, whether it is R sin theta plus minus alpha or R cos theta plus minus alpha. So that's from step 1 until step 5. Step 6 is when you use Larka in order to solve A sin theta plus minus B cos theta equal to C. Step 7 is to find the minimum and maximum values. And step 8 is to use Liga or Larka if you want, whenever you need to find the values of X or theta for min and max values. So for step 6, 7 and 8, it depends on your question. Sometimes the question may ask you to find the minimum and maximum values only. Or sometimes they just want you to find the values for min and max values. Just read your question carefully and determine which steps that you need to do.